This video is about the removal of the carpool sticker from my Tesla. About 3 years ago, I decided to install a California carpool or HOV sticker using a layer of paint protection film before attaching it to the surface of the car's exterior. The sticker has since expired and it is now time to remove it. Quite remarkably, the removal was very quick and easy. The PPF adhesive is quite strong but is safe on the car's paint surface. All I have to do is lift and peel. Once the PPF is lifted at a corner, all I have to do is pull until the entire sticker is removed. Without the PPF layer, I would have ended up with lots of residue left on the car. But since the film holds the sticker, all the gum residue, along with the sticker logo, are left on the paint protection film. The paint protection film does leave some of its own gum residue on the car surface, but it is not difficult to remove. I used Mustang Bacher's lift-up adhesive remover to remove the adhesive residue. After a couple of minutes of spraying, soaking, and wiping, and doing it all over again with a microfiber cloth, all traces of the PPF is gone and the sticker removal is complete. I hope this helps. Hopefully you should be able to remove your sticker easily as well. Have a great day. Bye.